Took the family out today for some swimming and waterfall adventures and lost the wipers. So this thing has been taken apart and put back together many times, as many things in the Philippines. And it's been poorly repaired many times as well. So I got this replacement made in Taiwan. I was going to combine the two to make one good one. Previously with this one, I only had on and off. I did not have intermediate or high speed. I only had low speed or off. When I plugged this one in, everything works. So I'm just not gonna mess with something that's working. I'm gonna put that on even though I don't really like that bracket. Because the old motor had a worn out plastic gear, I was unable to verify the position of the pivot arm, which actuates the wipers. So I reversed it. I'm going to pretend like that's cool for a while.